Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited to show you how to make your real lashes look like false lashes with a few steps. We're going to start with curling our lashes in 3 different positions. So you're going to curl at the base, in the center, and then finally at the very tip. It's very important that you hold each position for 10 seconds to ensure that you keep that lash curled really well. The next step, we are going to prime the lashes, and I'm using the Lancome Seal Booster in XL today. You have to work quickly with this product because it does dry rapidly fast, so making sure that you get an even coat in a reasonable amount of time will really make a difference. And today I'm going to be using the Hypnose Drama by Lancome in Excessive Black. As you can see, I tilt my head back rather than lifting my eyebrows to prevent premature aging. And I use a technique where I start at the base and I jiggle the wand up towards the tip of the lash. This will help to ensure I get the most mascara applied to my lashes while separating them. And I will repeat this process with a second coat of mascara. And now for the bottom lashes. If you do make a mess, don't worry. I simply take a Q-tip with some makeup remover to clean around the edges if I do happen to get any mascara on my skin. And just to compare really quickly, this is the before and the after for each side. And now we're going to repeat the entire process on the other side. If there are any clumps that I see or any areas where my eyelashes have stuck together, I will use the mascara wand to quickly separate those to prevent them drying together. And here you have it, the final look. So hopefully you can repeat this process. This is a daily process. It's super simple. Once you get it down, you will be able to give yourself that glamorous, luscious lash look without applying false lashes, and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like the video, and hit that notification button so you can see more like this. Have a beautiful day.